Hello everyone, I am Dr. Zain Khatib, cataract and refractive surgeon from Khatib Eye Clinic, Mumbai. And today in this video, I am going to be explaining to you a little bit about cataract. What is cataract? How does it happen? And how does it affect our vision? So in order to understand in detail about what cataract is, we need to understand the structure and anatomy of the eyeball first. So with the help of this model eye, I'll explain to you about cataract. So when you look at a person's eye, what you see from the front is this part here. Okay, so we have a transparent structure which is like a lens called as the cornea, which is in the front. Okay, behind the cornea we have this black portion which is the iris with a small hole in the center, and this hole in the center is called as the pupil. Now light passes from the cornea through the pupil inside, passing through this third structure called as the crystalline lens, which is clear, which is just behind the iris. It's just behind the iris, and from there the light passes onto this structure here, which is the retina, and from the retina through the optic nerve the light passes through the brain. So we get a visual signal. This is how we get a visual signal starting from the cornea and to the optic nerve, and that is how we see. Now if there is damage in any of these structures, it will obstruct our vision in some way. So cataract occurs in the crystalline lens of the eye, and this is the crystalline lens, okay, which is a convex lens which is just behind the iris, as I explained to you. So now let us see how this lens is affected. So if you can see this crystalline lens, it is absolutely clear, and that is why light can pass through. So if you see from front, you can see this red color reflects into the pupil. This is nothing but the light which is reflecting back from the retina, passing through this clear crystalline lens. Now if for any reason, if this crystalline lens is not clear and it starts developing some opacification, then it will not allow light to pass through, and this opacification of the crystalline lens is what we call as cataract. So cataract is any opacification of the crystalline lens. It may be small, it may be big, it can be at the side, it can be in the center, or it can be affecting the whole lens. So here in this model eye, we have different forms of cataract which are shown. So for example, if you have a cataract like this, okay, can you see this? This is opacification at the side, but the center is clear. Now this sort of cataract is called as a cortical cataract. If a person develops this sort of cortical cataract, okay, you can see, we can still see the red reflex of the retina. That means that this sort of cataract is not affecting our vision. So this cortical cataract which is at the side is not affecting the vision. You may have a cataract like this. Okay, you can have a cataract like this. This sort of cataract is just in the center. Okay, you can see the sides are clear, it is just in the center. But when this sort of cataract develops, okay, you can see the red reflex to the retina is blocked. That means the light is not passing to the retina. So this sort of cataract requires a treatment because it's not allowing light to pass to the retina. Sometimes you may have a cataract which is like this. Okay, the whole cataract becomes white color, and this is what we call as a mature cataract. So whenever you have a mature cataract, the light is absolutely not able to pass through, and as a result this sort of cataract needs urgent treatment. So these were the different sorts of cataract that a person can develop, and based on whether it is in the central visual axis or no, we have to decide whether we want to treat it or no. So the cataracts which are the side don't need to be treated, and the cataracts which are in the center, they need to be treated. So now answering a very important question, why does cataract occur? Okay, so the most common reason why cataract occurs is age. So almost every person, by the time they are 80 years of age, they develop some form of cataract or the other. So why does cataract develop with age? So what happens in our normal crystalline lens, okay, the reason why it is clear is because there are certain proteins in this lens which maintain its clarity, and with age, certain biochemical changes occur in these lens proteins, which cause that clarity of the lens to be lost, and instead of clear lens fibers, there are opacified lens fibers which start forming, and as a result of that, opacities start developing in the lens. So cataract is basically a age-related process, but that does not mean that every individual will get it at a certain age. It does not mean that every person will get it at 60 years or every person will get it 70 years. Some person may get a cataract even at 40 years. Some person may get a cataract at 60 years. Some lucky people may not get a cataract even at 90 years of age. So you can have an analogy of cataract with graying of the hair. How in some people the hair gets grey at an earlier age, while in others it gets grey at a later age. So similarly, cataract in some individuals develops earlier, and in other individuals it develops later. So it's an age-related process, but doesn't mean it happens to all people at a similar age. There are certain other factors which predispose to cataract, like diabetes. So if a person has diabetes, especially uncontrolled diabetes, they may develop cataract at a slightly younger age as compared to the normal population. Certain types of radiation and sunlight also causes cataract. Apart from that, there are not many other factors which are related to cataract. Sometimes when the eye undergoes trauma, someone hits the eye, that itself can cause cataract. So these are some of the factors as to why cataract can happen, but the most common is age related, and a person who develops cataract doesn't need to worry as to why the cataract has happened. It happens to almost every person with age. It just needs treatment, and the treatment is the same. So the treatment of cataract surgery requires a surgery. We cannot treat cataract with any sort of medicines. We cannot treat cataract with any sort of tablets or drops. It requires surgery. The surgical process is very standard all over the world. That is, the cataractous lens is cleaned out completely, and we put in an artificial lens in place of the cataract. And this artificial lens is absolutely clear. It does the same work as that of the crystalline lens which was present earlier, and the person can see clearly once we remove this cataract. So that was a little bit about cataract, how it develops, and stay tuned for watching more videos with me. Thank you.